Most gardeners don't realize this. If you feed mockingbirds the right way, they'll do more than just sing for you. They'll help control pests in your yard naturally. Yep, fewer bugs, less damage, just by feeding the birds already living nearby. Fellow gardeners shared, a few years ago, I had a garden full of caterpillars and grasshoppers chewing through everything. I didn't want to spray chemicals, so I started leaving out fruit scraps on a low feeder. Guess who showed up first? Mockingbirds. Within weeks, the bug population dropped. These little guys were working for me, one berry at a time. Here's what to do if you want the same results. Skip the seeds. Mockingbirds don't care much for them. Go with fruit. Apples, grapes, raisins, bananas, even orange slices work. Add suet or peanut butter in winter. This combo gives them the energy they need to stick around. Use a platform feeder or window shelf. They're ground feeders and like easy landings. Keep water nearby. A bird bath is like a welcome sign for them. What they'll get out of it. If you do this, you won't just get birdwatching joy, you'll get natural pest control, fewer chemicals, and a more balanced garden. Mockingbirds are one of the easiest birds to attract and one of the most underrated. Have you ever seen a mockingbird in your yard? What's your go-to food for attracting them? Drop your favorite trick in the comments. And hey, if you like tips like this, hit subscribe.